Welcome to the Rim Brake Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to replace an Audi Q7 battery. Before starting, prioritize your safety by wearing protective gear. You will need specific tools, including a triple square bit for the seat bolts and a 10mm wrench for the battery terminals. The battery is usually found under the driver's seat, requiring some preparation to access. It is also wise to connect a memory saver to maintain your vehicle's electronic settings throughout the process. To access the battery, first slide the driver's seat all the way forward. Next, remove the plastic covers and trim pieces that conceal the seat mounting bolts. Using your triple square bit, unbolt the two front seat fasteners. Now, carefully tilt the entire seat backward, revealing the battery. Before proceeding, disconnect the negative battery terminal, followed by the positive terminal, using your 10mm wrench. With the terminals disconnected, locate and remove the battery's hold-down clamps or brackets. The old battery is quite heavy, so use proper lifting techniques to carefully remove it from its compartment. Take a moment to inspect and clean any corrosion from the battery tray. Now, gently lower the new battery into place, ensuring it is seated correctly. Secure it firmly with the hold-down clamps, then connect the positive terminal first, followed by the negative. After installing the new battery, reattach all plastic linings and secure the driver's seat with its two bolts. Double-check that all battery connections are tight and the vent tube is properly installed. A crucial step for many Audi Q7 models is registering the new battery with the vehicle's battery management system. This requires a diagnostic tool to input the new battery's capacity and type, ensuring optimal charging and preventing potential electrical issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.